2775 MHz OC results. PNY NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5080 crushes 8K real. Locked in lag hell while pixels crawl across your screen? Buddy Riley once bombed a tournament. GPU melted mid-clutch, crowd groaned. The PNY NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5080 Epic X rewrites rules with Blackwell punch and 16 gig GDDR7 Lightning. That Velvet Rush awakens. Spill your most brittle crash story below. What GPU betrayed you hardest?
Heat throbs, frames choke, defeat stings sharp in your throat. Sees icy mastery sans drama, Tensor cores predict, triple fans exhale silence. The PNY NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5080 Epic X ignites that primal 4K surge at whisper quiet temps. Which title still mocks your setup? Imagine esports coach Jade sprinting a championship render deadline. Legacy card stalls, shadow smear, sponsor panic, spikes. She unleashes the PNY NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5080 Epic X. 16 gigabytes of GDDR7 devours 8K assets. DLSS 4 multi-frame generation triples FPS with pixel-perfect fidelity. 5th gen Tensor cores supercharge AI upscaling. Blackwell RT cores render full path tracing in real time. 2775 MHz factory OC slashes render times 80%. PCIe 5.0 floods bandwidth for future rigs. HDMI 2.1 plus DP 2.1 push 8K 120Hz HDR. 2.99 slot triple fan Epic X cooler with vapor chamber keeps loads sub 70 degrees Celsius. ARGB Halo syncs via Velocity X. Reflex 2 frame warp drops latency to sub 10 milliseconds. That electric dominance courses through your veins, doesn't it? Bonus tease, grab the exclusive Blackwell Overclocked checklist in description, your key to untouchable frames. Productivity explodes. Blender scenes finish in blinks. Aim snaps via Reflex 2. Dominance locks with 50% raster leaps. Hardware Lab declares, PNY 5080's Blackwell efficiency redefines compute. DLSS 4 path tracing at 4K, 120 FPS is witchcraft. Streamer raves, max settings, ray reconstruction on. My 4090 eats dust. ARGB glow steals the show. Analyst logs, GDDR7 plus PCIe 5.0 bandwidth spikes 70%. Tensor leaps crush creative bottlenecks. Pro artist shares, 8K timelines scrub real time. VRAM never flinches. Deadlines laugh. I've seen rigs transform from stutters to symphonies. See why thousands can't stop talking about this? Power bill scare? Adaptive efficiency sips 320 watts smart, stays Arctic. Size smag? 2.99 slot fits most cases. Results may vary, but thermals dominate. Tap subscribe if 2775 MHz calls your name.
Blackwell preset vault seals in 36 hours. Lock it before vanish. Join thousands already ruling 8K with PNY NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5080 Epic X DLSS 4 2775 MHz boost. Discover hidden ray reconstruction tweaks plus silent fan curve template. Strike now, seize your rendering empire via link below. Why throttle when you can soar?